Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, after over 2 years, we continue coverage of US Highway 190 West, beginning in Opelousas, Louisiana at I-49. Opelousas is the parish seat of St. Landry Parish and has an estimated population of 16,541 as of 2016. With an area of 7.5 square miles, Opelousas is the most densely populated incorporated city in Louisiana. Founded by French colonists in the 1720s, Opelousas is Louisiana's third oldest city. The city served as a major trading post between New Orleans and Natchitoches in the 18th and 19th centuries. Historically an area of settlement by French Creoles, Creoles of color, and Acadians, Opelousas is the center of Zydeco music. It celebrates its heritage at the Creole Heritage Folklife Center, one of the destinations on the new Louisiana African American Heritage Trail. It is also the location of the Evangeline Downs Racetrack and Casino. Since 1982, Opelousas has hosted the original Southwest Louisiana Zydeco Festival, usually held the Saturday before Labor Day at Zydeco Park in Plaisance. The festival features a day of performances by Zydeco musicians, with the goal of keeping the genre alive. The entirety of US-190 in Louisiana is named for President Ronald Reagan. This section of US 190 is labeled Acadiana Trail on the highway guide signs, although the entire section of highway between Baton Rouge and Beaumont, Texas, is designated Acadiana Trail. we enter the unincorporated community and census-designated place of Lawtell. The name is a portmanteau of the names of its two founders, Lawler and Lawtell. We enter the city of Eunice, which has an estimated population of 10,279 as of 2016. One-time lawman and pioneer land developer C.C. Dusson is credited with founding Eunice, which was named for his second wife, Eunice Farr Dusson. We conclude today's drive at LA-13, which is named for the town's founder, C.C. Dusson. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.